All right, so for this assignment, I want you to use Google Sheets to make a simple crossword for the key terms on this page right here. Let's see. Okay, it's at the end of the chapter, so it would be second to the last page right here. And so these are the words: pressure, buoyant force, hydraulic device, these right here. So what you want to do is go to Google Drive and just say Google Sheets, new sheet. And it's not much of a crossword if the cells are this wide. So I'm going to swipe across the top. And one way you can do that if you're on a Chromebook is just click this. And then before you click over here, hold down Shift. That'll grab everything in between. Then right click and say Resize Columns. Let's try 30. That's not bad. I think I'll even go 25. Resize 25. And now I need probably some more. Resize 25. Okay, and then maybe I'll just click. If you click this top corner, it grabs everything all the way to infinity. I'm going to say borders. Yeah. These right here I might just get rid of. Right click, delete columns. Okay, so here's... Actually, I shouldn't... I'll take that back. I shouldn't border all of them. Let's clear that out. We should do... What's our first word? Pressure. So let's say I'm going to put pressure across here. I'm going to do caps lock, P, R, and I'm just using the arrow keys. And I think actually I'll click the top corner and I want to center all these and probably bold. So where is my centering? Right here, center, and center vertically too, just in case. All right, so there's going to be my word for pressure. That's where I'm going to locate it. Now I'll do the border, and above it, I think I'll do 1. Actually, I want it to be really small. 1. Let me select that text, and I'll decrease it to really tiny, and probably left align that. Yeah. Now I'm going to erase this, and off to the side, I'm going to want to, I guess I should insert one column to the right, and I'm going to want this one to be really wide. So I'll do all caps. I'll say across, and then this will be number 1 across, and that'll be, I should left align all these. So I'm going to select the top and then say left align. 1 across is, now we'll write the definition for pressure. And is that right? Pressure? Yeah. So we'll do a search for pressure definition. And then it says continuous physical force. Maybe we should say liquid. Pressure in a liquid. Fluids. Fluid pressure. I guess. No, I'll just take out fluid. I just wanted it to be, yeah, physics. Let's see. Pressure definition in physics. Sure, we'll just grab this right here, whatever. Or over here. I'll go with that. They're all very close anyways. So I'll just take away the word pressure because we don't want to give away the answer. Right, so, and you see how this is clipping at the end? We want to select the entire, well, no, that's going to mess up the formatting here if I do that. So maybe I need to select both of these cells and merge them. And then in formatting, I need to say wrapping, wrap. Yeah, that way. See, I don't want it to. I join the two cells because if I wrap without that, that'll make this whole row much bigger. All right, so now we'll do one down, and this is pressure. I probably should have left the letters in there. Pressure. We'll delete all the words when we're done, because now we're looking for the next word. Let's try buoyant force. Buoyant force. I don't see B-O-B. Yeah, we could be B-U-O, right? B-U-O. I could put it right there. This could be B-U-O. Like that. And we border it. Oops, didn't do all of it. Border. There. Oh, I didn't include that. Just really messing up today. I'm in kind of a hurry. So this will be 2, or this could be, I don't know. I want it to be a tiny text, so I'm going to select this one that has the formatting, and that'll give the same formatting. I think left align is a good idea here, and having a really small text. So, all right, now the next one, that'll be 2 down. So I need to put down will be over here. This will be 2. I guess that's the way to do it. And now buoyant force, we want to do a search for that. And force definition physics. Let's just go over here. Is an upward force. Yeah. There we go. I'll just grab that much. And I'll paste that there. And looks like I think maybe the best way to deal with this is not to wrap, but to go just say overflow. Overflow. That way. Oh, no, it's not. I guess we need another. Just need to make this wider so we can see the whole definition. Yeah, some of these definitions could get kind of long. But now we'll go to, let's look for the next one. Could pick any one of these that we want. Let's do density. And density could go here. Density. And we just highlight that and do that. Now I think I'll just copy that cell and paste it right there, and then we'll say number 3. And that's a cross, so number 3, cross. Then we look up the definition for density, and that's basically the strategy. I want you to make a simple crossword or word search. What is this? A crossword, right? Yeah. So it should be kind of fun.